Hello everyone, hope you all doing good. Welcome back to agrati.com YouTube channel, The Fabric Concepts. Let's go deep into what today episode is all about. Today's episode is all about border laces. So I think we all know about what is lace is all about. So lace is usually a border kind of thing which is used for a sari or blouses or dress to give a finishing touch. If you have a borderless sari, or if you want to renovate your old saris, if you want to renew that, you can use the laces to give the over touch. Or if you buy any saris without laces, you can also do that. If you want to give any patch to the blouses or any dresses, you can always give to that. So we have a wide range of collections in laces in a different patterns, golden, floral, sequins, threaded, many things. I'll show you briefly. So this is a silver kind of lace. This is called a silver lace. So the color is in silver color, white color. So which goes a odd match for a saris and blouses, and we have a wide range in silvers. So in silver we have a wide range, wide different collections like a stoned one or a big one or a normal one. I mean, I think you can see the two kind of silver laces here. One is a shell type of one. The another one is a up and down one, a sequence one. It's not a sequence kind of, it's up and down. Like you can see the shiners here. So it's a shiny in front of the lights, yellow light or white light, any kind of light it can shine. So I'll show you the match. So this is a pink color sari. This sari is also available in our store. It's a satin sari. So with this you can match this pink color border. Yeah, with the pink color sari you can match the silver color border laces. You will go a opt match with this. So you can use this for a blouse or a kurtis or any other. This will go a perfect match, which will give you a luxurious drap. So we have another kind of a silver lace, which is a small one. If you don't want a big one, if you want to go for a small one, you can use this also. So this also will go a super match. Simple yet elegant. So this will give a finished luxurious touch to your saris. You can renew your saris with the all silver lace. We have a wide range of silvers. We have a wide collections as well. So this is also another silver color sari. So this is soft sari. This is also available in our store. You can check our website as well. So I'll show the match with this silver sari as well. So this silver is also go good for this silver border. So grey color sari with a silver lacer is a good match. Yeah, why not? So you can go for it. So this is golden color lace or silver we have in a golden color as well. We have a wide range of collections in golden itself. So stone, non-stone. So we have a price range around 500 to 1000. So there's a different range we have. So all these laces are 9 meters long, so it is sufficiently enough for saris, and if any left out there, you can use it for a blouse as well. So this is a stone, non-stone one, a sequence kind of plastic stone. So we have so many collections. I suggest you to visit our website or visit our stores directly to get the perfect match for your sari, because in videos or a website the colors may be differ. Website I hope will be fine, but in videos it may be differs in colors of saris as well. So I request you to visit the store or website. So this is a peach color saree with a golden lace. I think peach and gold will never go wrong. This will give a apt, elegant look. So you can see the saree and match here. And this is a green color saree, a light sea blue kind of a turquoise green color. So this is a stoned one. You can see the stone here, the stone big laces. So you can match this as well. It should go a good match. And this is another kind of laces. So you can see the two difference. One is stoned and one is non-stoned. So both look similar. One, this is a non-stoned, this is a stoned one. That is a small, the big one. So you can see the difference here. So if you don't want a big one, you can go for a small one. So like this, we have a wide range of collections in the lace. So you can match with any outfits however you want. If you want, you can match saree or blouse. As I said earlier, you can match with anything. So the next one is a pearl one. So you can see the pearl laces here. So pearl will go good luxurious, the traditional one. So pearl is also good for a traditional as well as a modern one. So if you don't want to go for a golden thing kind of thing, you can go for a pearl one. So this is Georgette saree, pink Georgette. So you can match this Georgette saree with the pearl. So this is a normal kind of laces. This is not a pearl one. This is a normal thing. So you can match it. This is a pearl one. So I told you know the pearl laces. So this is a green color Georgette, a light green, pastel green color. So yeah. So green with light pastel green with the pearl lace will go a perfect match. You can see the pearl, the arrangements. So this would be a good match. A pearl laces. Wow, wow. Next we have a floral lace. So I assure you can't find any floral designs like this in anywhere. We have a wide, you can see a floral designs but not a wide ranges. We have a wide ranges in floral designs. So we have a 7 meters. So you can use it as use it for a saree. You can go for a yellow saree or a green saree or any sarees you can go. See, we have a grey color saree, Georgette saree. So I love the saree usually. So this will give a simple, elegant look. If you have any teenagers or women, or if you want to go for simple designs without any extras, if you want to go for a simple designs but at elegant, you can choose this. Floral is always a stunning one. So you can go for this. See, we have a wide range of floral designs in red, a pastel green, a blue and sandal color. So apart from this, we have more floral collections. You can check our websites. So this all laces are available in the website. Wow, just see the how many designs are here. So this is a mirror lace. We have a small mirror and a big mirror, big border lace and small border lace. So in this small one we have a two set of mirrors. In the big one we have a multiple mirrors. So if you want to attend a grand weddings or a grand functions with a simple saree but a big borders, you can go for that. This is a small mirror border, only two arrangements. One, you can see only 2 rows of mirror in that. So this will go a good look. Without any work, without any extra embroidery, this will give an elegant look. So this is a big one. So just see the big one. So you don't need to do any other work in the saree. Just attaching this big border lace, mirror lace itself will give you elegant look. Just see, wow. If you are going any grand functions but you want to be simple, you can, without doubt you can go for this mirror saree. It will reflect you, it will reflect your reflect the lights, so it automatically starts sparkling. So yeah, so this is my most favorite one. So this combination never go wrong. The green, pastel green organza saree with the big border mirror. So this is a sequence one, a floral sequence. So we have a variety of floral, a purple one, orange one, and you can see the grey color, a pink, orange, a rose floral, purple, yellow, blue, orange. We have a many colors, so you can match with any kind of sarees, any kind of colors you want. So I show you the match here. It's a pastel green. Maybe for the light it looks like a different colors, but this is a pastel green. So this will give a good match. If you don't have any simple saree or any plain saree, we got you covered. We have a many plain sarees in georgette, satin, raw silk, pure silk, anything. We can also do a customized dyeing for sarees, for fabrics, not for laces, for fabric. So if you don't have any plain sarees but you want to use this laces, you can book a saree with us and a lace with us also. So this is a onion pink. So just see the onion pink. So you can go for this sequence floral laces for onion pink Georgette plain saree, or you can go for a floral designs which I showed earlier in the video. So as I told you, we have multiple sequence laces, so you can go for that. So we came to the end of this episode, lace border episode. So if you all like this episode, kindly like, comment, and subscribe so that you'll get to know our updates. So what I show is only a 50% of laces what we have. The other 50% I'll be showing in the next video. Just I'm giving the outlook of laces what we have. These are the laces are available in the store. In the website as well. So akriti.com, as I mentioned in the video, akriti.com is our website. So you can visit our website. We have an Instagram page as well, Facebook, Pinterest. We have pages in every social media. So you can follow us for the latest updates. So these are all the outlook. So other than this, we have patches, everything. So I'll show you in the upcoming videos. So the same video, if I gone through the every laces, then it might be confusing for you. So these are all the patches and add-on accessories. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Thank you so much for valuable time. So these are all the outlook laces. So these laces I'll be showing in the upcoming videos. You can see the overlook here. Thank you so much for watching. You can visit our website.